Welcome to Stephanie's Notes. I'm Stephanie. Today we're going to look at Tone 5 in the 9 tones in Cantonese. Tone 5, rising, low to mid-pitched. Here are some examples. Ngo, ngo, meaning I or me. So notice it's ngo rather than o, which is the lazy way of saying ngo. The ng sound is a nasal sound. Say but with your mouth open. Ngo. Have you got it? The next one is nei, meaning you. And notice it's with an N at the beginning. Nei. So not lay. Again, a lazy way of saying nei. Ko, meaning he, him, she, her, or it. Yao, to have. Mo, to not have. Mai ye, to buy things. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video. 加油啊! Happy learning!